Well, good morning. It's Friday, and we're finishing out the first full week of the month of May 2025. We'll be finishing up the chicken coop and pen today, I hope. If I can locate my hinges. For some strange reason, all of my hinges, I have tons of hinges. They suddenly disappeared, but I'll find them. It's really strange around here. Things just kind of go missing, and then all of a sudden, there they are, that sort of thing. But that's the Alaskan wilderness for you. Well, it's the end of the first week of May, and summer's here. Just kidding. It's 57 degrees and we have some nice big fluffy clouds up there. So we're just waiting for the river to come up and get a little deeper than what it is right now so we can launch boats and go visit people and have people come visit us. Because right now you'd have to fly in. We had friends who texted and they were flying back to their cabin, I'll put it that way, which is in southwest Alaska, which is in the opposite direction of us, but they were leaving Fairbanks. They were going to fly by and visit if only they had a place to land. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. And this is like 90 miles out of the way for them, so they just went straight on back. But I don't think I want to build a helipad anytime soon. And as I've said, the water very, very low. It actually should be up to here. I'm trying to show you there. And it's got a ways to go. And we still have a very low river, which is typical for this time of the year. The thing about it is, it's a little, probably a foot lower than it normally has been in years past. We also have, because of that, large piles of debris building up. We also have huge ice chunks that are lingering because the water hasn't come up high enough to float them away. But I'm going to be bringing my boat down into the water probably here in a couple of days. And we'll just kind of get out and play around and see how the river is. Maybe make a trip all the way to the post office. Well, I don't really like using my phone for video down here, but the wind has picked up and is kicking the sand and dust on the sandbars all over the place, rippling the water. And speaking of river water, I do believe it has come up maybe 3 or 4 inches higher than it was earlier during the day. Organic bear, if that's a bear. I don't know what it is. Buffalo, moose,
maybe.
elephant,
Yeah, there you go.
Arctic elephant, that's what it is. Well, it saw us and it stopped moving, so.
Giant porcupine. It's kind of partly behind brush, and it hasn't moved.
Okay.
I see some birds, maybe swans out here. Too.
Could be, but
Because
ow.
it's not moving. And water's gone through my boots now, so
Uh-oh, you need to turn back.
I'm going to.
Well, the one thing that we can count on is mosquitoes. They're all around me. Michelle seems to be faring better because she has a hoodie on. Of course, I have a hoodie. I could be using it. Yes. Well, if this ever gets deep enough, we can always bring the little 10-foot flat bottom boat down with the trolling motor. We'll be able to go all over the place back here. Yeah, I think this will produce enough hay for us.
Right? All we have to do is get a machete and they don't sell it. I tried my folding saw, but because it all doesn't grip.
Yeah,
So it was easier for me to just pull stuff by hand.
actually bring the lawnmower down here.
Right. That's what you want is tussock.